¿Tú ocupas esas?
No.
Tampoco, yo no, casi no uso. So this is actually, yo pensaba que estaba picado ahí, ¿no está picado de este lado?
No, es su hoyo normal. Pero lo puede tapar.
Ya. Y este lado todavía no lo comí. Should I take it to see right now?
Ya, miren, pues. ¿Van a venir por el otro?
Yeah. Alright, so this is what the bottom is looking like. This is for the front. Not too bad, just dirty. And I thought that was a rust hole, but it isn't, which that's pretty lucky. So it's not all the way through. So awesome. So this is what this side looks like. Alright, so I'm starting to take apart this side now, and then so this is something that I expected. Again, not too bad. So I was expecting, normally people's floors are completely rusted through. This ones are still solid. I mean, you can see how strong it still is. It's just that little it's probably some kind of like water hole so it could drain out of. That one did rust through, but it's not even that bad. I can only rust it there. Like, this is still nice and tough, like all around. Going pretty good force and nothing's happening, so probably just gonna patch this out, take it out, and then put some new one in, weld a new one in, and call it a day. Cool, so we just finished taking off all the old like carpet and foam. That's pretty nasty, but check this out. So right now, or probably not right now, maybe later in the week, I'm gonna be like vacuuming it and whatnot, just making it ready to be, you know, ready to put that new carpet and foam in. I know it looks scary right now, but surprisingly I'm not. Like, it's not that much work. Like, I'm gonna probably be removing these right now. These aren't supposed to be there, so I'm gonna remove those. I might even get new doors due to the passenger side. Let's take a look. So on this side, as you can see right there, it started to eat through, so I'm probably just gonna get new doors regardless. Makes it easier on these two. The handles, I don't have to mess with any of that. And I think the little window crank, I think they're probably stripped anyway, so you guys get the idea. Yeah, all the carpet is pulled. These are pretty cool. I never had these on mine. I was supposed to have speaker holes on mine, my old one, but yeah, that's how the dash looks. It looks like it has some kind of cover, so I might be removing that right now. Maybe see what's under there. Maybe there's a perfect dash under that, which I doubt. Here's how the top looks like. It's really hard to see, but it's just kind of droopy a little bit right here. You guys can see that. I'm gonna get these redone too, the visors. Alright guys, so we just removed the dash cover that it had, which is right there. That one was already cracked, so it was not a... I didn't mind, you know, breaking it a little more. Plus, I don't know if I want to have a dash cover on it. I'd rather just redo this this one right here. So to no surprise, actually, it's cracked. So something usual on these cars. Luckily, my upholstery guy should be able to fix it. He's literally just gonna fill these up, sand it back down, and then repaint it, which is gonna be awesome. So we did the job for him. We're cleaning it up still. The previous owner used excessive amount of glue. Look at that. So we're just gonna be cleaning this up for now, and then yeah, that's pretty much the interior. Just getting it all prepped up, ready for you know, for carpet, for new upholstery inside, and carpet and foam and all that fun stuff. Cool. Let's take a look at it right here. I don't know if you guys can see that to the glare, but yeah, look at that one. Freaking Grand Canyon there. Alright guys, so we're pretty much wrapping up right now. You know, as far as the plans go, future plans in the interior, pretty basic, nothing crazy. We're probably gonna just do, I'll check out more than likely just an all black interior. You know, black carpet, black seats, black headliner. Nothing too crazy. Maybe, you know, once I see the colors, maybe we'll do the interior, like right here would be a black seat with a Alcantara, maybe like gray or silver. Which brings me to the next thing, which is going to be the exterior. I'm thinking of maybe doing a gray, you know, like a silver color outside. Almost kind of like the interior right there. Almost something like that, like, I don't know, like a gunmetal type of car to it. I think it'll look pretty mean. I did want to go with the red at the beginning, but I feel like I did a red one, a red Z already, so I'm trying to mix it up a little bit, make it feel like a completely different car. So that's as far as the cabin goes, so black on black, or maybe black on gray, I don't know yet. And then the back over here, I'm probably just gonna get like a mat that goes back here, that I think it just wraps around the strut, you know, the strut tower right there. So kind of like a mat right there, and then I don't know if there's supposed to be like a round wood piece that goes here, or like on my old one I used to have like a three piece wood set back here where it was, you know, one here, one in the middle, and then one on that side too. But I'll figure that out later. I don't know if, again, if they're supposed to be, or maybe just the tire holds it up. That looks kind of ghetto. I would definitely want to do it the right way. Went ahead and removed those ugly door speakers that aren't supposed to be there. Like I said, I might get new doors all around because I don't know if I want to have that right there. Looks ugly. Looks a little scary now. Now that we started taking things out, but that's just part of the project. Just taking all the old stuff out. We literally filled up this box with like all this nasty old foam. So as far as the interior goes, so I'm pretty much wrapping up here, but what do you guys think? Is that the right move? Is that an old boring color, making it all black interior? I don't know. Make sure you guys leave your comments. Also on the exterior color, what do you guys recommend? Like I said, I'm thinking like a gunmetal color to it, like I said, like on the interior. Or should I do a candy apple red? I don't know. Please comment down below. I'm very interested in what you guys think I should do. The original color used to be that one right there, almost like a, I don't know. It's kind of like a, I don't know what color that is. I kind of see a brown, kind of see a purple, kind of see a red at the same time. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here. This is gonna be day 2 of the build here. Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in.